Well, what happened? I got down to the store a couple of miles away, dollar store, and the Super Coupe wouldn't start after I came back out. I'm pretty sure it's a fuel pump. It's locked up or something. I'll try it tomorrow, see if it starts. But what I found on an O pump is I tapped it really fast on the terminal and it came on. It wasn't working either. So that might be something you try. Bypass the relay really fast like that. It's working now. Wasn't spinning at all. So it's a Motorcraft, Delco or Delphi, whatever. Don't get Airtex. They suck.